Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. So today I have a accessories haul I wanted to open, and so let me see how I get this thing open. So I'm just gonna cut on the top and we'll open it. So for that package, let's see what's in the next one. I'm just gonna cut along the top again. Let's see what's in here. I'm a little bit eager, I'll admit it. So there's those. So this is what I have: some sunglasses, two little boxes, one small one, and a jewelry case, little sash, or what do you call it? Sack. So here it says these are sunglasses. And I wanted to use these for my live streaming because some of the co-hosts asked me, why do you use a filter sunglasses? You should use real ones. And then they said you should use ones that look good on you. And I was like, well, I don't know what sunglasses look good on me, but I like these. These are cool. And then I like other ones, but then I had already purchased these for like $8. Like they were like $8.99. And these are Loke sunglasses. So these are not name brand, but they're not name brand, and they're usually about that much money when you see these, probably sometimes in convenience stores and in stores. So they're dark, and you can see they're kind of short, and they're really cute. So the next item I got, let's see what this is. It's a cute little bag, and it comes with, it looks like two items, and I'll open those. So here we have a little bracelet, and it's a Rolo chain bracelet, which is really cute. Okay. And then we have a gold. I got one of these before, but it's tiny. I mean, this one's tinier than that one, and it's little crystals, um, almost like a tennis bracelet, which is really cute, and it looks like it will fit me. So I think that's really cute. And then the last but not least is a regular rhinestone bracelet. So it goes like that, and it's kind of cute. Like it comes with the little chain. So this is like, it's supposed to go like this. Like you wear it sideways. So that's cute. And let's see what's in this little, it looks like a little Tiffany box. You open it up and boom, a bingo bracelet. And I really like this. This to me is like a dupe. Like all of these are kind of like dupes, except for the sunglasses though. This is cute. I got it for like what, $5, $4.99, and these were like about the same price, like $5.99. And then here's another box, and let's see what's in here. I'm gonna pop this open, just like that, and it says Jewel Pyre. It's a cute little jewelry box. And let's see what's in here. This one I got for probably $2.99. It was less than $3. Plus it had a coupon, and it looks like white gold, but it's actually, I think, silver, supposed to be silver. So it doesn't say it's real silver, but it's a silver chain, and it's really gorgeous. This is for like a man. It's 24 inches for $3. You couldn't find a better price. And I think it's really cute. If you have a pendant, this would look really good with the pendant. Um, but like I said, this is for a man, I think. And it was really inexpensive. So I was like, I'm not going to pass up that deal. And I'll just put it back in the box. Now, the next one is like a similar thing. I think it's from the same company. I'm not too sure, but I will pop open the top and see. Now, this one is ooh, okay, the same company, and it is also a chain. So this chain was $1.99, and it's kind of a small chain. So I think a boy and a girl could wear it. I think it's really cute. For $1.99, you can't beat that price. I think, even though it's not real, it's still gold. It's still beautiful. I think it's just as gorgeous. For $1.99, I think it's a steal. So I'm gonna put this one back too. But thank you guys for joining me. This is kind of like my haul for my gold base jewelry. Like I use different colors, and I like to coordinate my jewelry together. The pieces that I wear kind of um correspond with each other. So no matter what I'm buying, it's kind of still a set that's based on the metal, the precious metal, and the color. So basically, this is what I would be wearing together. And then I'd have a watch on. And then, like, the jewelry, the necklace, and the rings and the earrings also would be the same, similar concept. So I know a lot of people wear their favorite stuff, and I think that's cool too. So I would do that too. And also do wear I do wear, cool little jewelry that's not precious metal, but in this instance, this is like a set together. So, but thank you guys for watching. I totally scored big on this stuff, and I know it was inexpensive, and most people like buying things and spending a lot of money on themselves, and I for one love spending money on myself, obviously, but I do make sure that I can afford, groceries the next week. And that to me is priority, that I put in um, and show self love also, as well as nourish my body and, and have fun, you know, so that way I have, actual financial freedom and don't splurge on unnecessary items just, to gratify myself, I guess. It's just more of a concept that you have to look the part, to play the part and kind of feel good about what you're wearing. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one based on different. Bye bye.